Three state senators from Missouri are named in a lawsuit for social media posts following the deadly shooting at this year's Super Bowl parade.
And tonight's Legal Lens, Fox 2 Chef Bernthal asked Brown and Crouppen attorney Andrea McNary about the legal help those senators are receiving.
So, Andrea, in this case, what exactly are the accusations here against these state senators?
So there's a federal defamation lawsuit that has alleged that three Missouri senators made public social media posts incorrectly identifying a Kansas City man as an undocumented immigrant and the shooter during the Chiefs Super Bowl parade. The social media posts have since been deleted, of course, but the suit alleged that the senators engaged in willful, wanton, reckless, and malicious defamation, causing damage to plaintiff's image and reputation. He's also alleged that he received death threats due to the misidentification.
And over the course of coverage of this, we've come to hear the term legislative immunity. What exactly does that mean?
So what it means, it's a legal doctrine that prevents legislators from being sued for actions performed in the course and scope of serving in the government. So what the doctrine does not protect is legislators from criminal prosecution, nor does it relieve them for any responsibility for things they may have done that are outside the scope of their office. So what the Missouri Attorney General is arguing is that since the three senators are protected under this doctrine, because they were acting in their official capacity when they made those social media posts.
And you mentioned the Missouri Attorney General's office, and I think that's another question a lot of people have is, when may a state legislator be represented by the state Missouri Attorney General's office?
So the civil litigation section of the Missouri AG's office defends the state of Missouri, including any state official, agencies, employees, anybody who may invoke the state's interest in any proceedings. So some claim here, and what the biggest controversy in the state is about, is some say that the Missouri Attorney General has overstepped his authority, that the senators were being sued as private citizens, not as elected state officials, that posting on social media was outside the capacity of what their scope and duties were as senators. And mostly what's on people's mind, including the governor's mind, is whether taxpayers should be footing the bill for the Missouri Attorney General's defense of these senators.
A lot to navigate here legally. Andrea McNary with Brown and Crouppen, as always, we appreciate your legal insight. Thank you.
You're so welcome.
Jeff Bernthal, Fox 2 News.